Hi all. Today we will take a comprehensive look at a very powerful trading tool and a technical indicator, known as the Channel Breakout Pro. And now we will immediately go straight down to the price chart to see it in action. And look, this indicator is designed to be incredibly powerful. It automatically scans charts to find all the standard technical analysis figures, such as wedges, falling wedges, rising wedges, flags, and many other essential formations. The beauty of this tool is that you can use it effectively on any financial instrument or asset class. You don't need to spend time manually looking for where a pattern is forming, as the system does the heavy lifting for you. Where this happened, on which chart that is to draw it, but you can also just turn it on and take a look. Let's do this in fast forward mode. Let's see in principle how it worked out. Here we had a wedge from which the price broke upwards. This is a typical story. It's one of those indicators where such standard technical analysis patterns don't work. And here we see an interesting situation. Here we have a kind of flag or something like that. There was this kind of breakout here. And then, shortly after that movement occurred, the market price steadily re-entered the boundaries of this flag pattern once again. And then it went like this. This kind of setup gives the same signal. Here again, we have this kind of breakout, basically. Now, let me tell you this. A significant number of people will say that this simply does not work in the way we want, and that it is not what we expect. From trading, you can trade absolutely any types of trading patterns, absolutely any strategy or technique that you find actually works. Let me put it this way. Of course, as we saw here, and the way it was drawn there. Here, it's interesting, you have this triangle which kind of broke out, then bounced back. Basically, it's just liquidity grabs from below and then again from below and so on. Here we broke through the trend line and continued flying upward. Signal. This is a daily chart, by the way. So here basically is a trade that worked out. Here we see a typical falling wedge or a descending wedge or whatever else you want to call it. I don't know who calls it that. Let's take a look. Honestly, I don't know. Here we got a buy signal with a stop loss. Honestly, I absolutely don't care whether it works or not. To be perfectly honest, how you feel about it, I really don't care at all. I'll be completely honest with you. I used to use this particular method before, because it actually worked quite well back when, there were a lot fewer alternative options available to us. And more information started coming in. And as more information started coming in, especially on smaller time frames, it stopped working. So now I rarely use it, but I'll say this. The back tests, in my opinion, surprised me. That's why we decided to publish this indicator, because it works. That's all there is to it. You can be biased about this or unbiased. You can say that it's just drawing lines. I'm not the one drawing the lines. It draws the lines by itself. Again, we see a falling wedge. There hasn't been a signal yet. By the way, right here, the setup worked out well, up to about the third take profit. That is the second one. Here it already seemed to us, it showed that the short from this wedge would go down here, this move down. And to be honest, I didn't even realize it. When it happened, we had our stop loss here. Okay, so that's 2.1. But let's take a look further now. All right, stop. Okay, again, we have this kind of wedge. Well, as you can see, a perfect setup, up to the third or even the fourth target. Up to the fourth target, and what do we see next? So basically after that, there's nothing else. This is an interesting indicator. At the very least, this could be another confirmation because backtesting, especially on higher time frames, shows very good results. Here, unlike with a new, the numbers can't lie. Look, for now in this review, we can see how this works on the 4-hour chart. Let's go over here. What do we have here? Here we have some patterns like this. Standard technical analysis, and in both directions everything is not quite right. There was just a standard setup for the third time. Well, basically somewhere around 400 flat. With these triangles it just happened. That's basically probably why I stopped using such tools. There are some here, but here it's some kind of falling wedge, or whatever it is, I don't know. So here, the overall win rate is looking incredibly impressive throughout all of this gameplay, but even so, there is definitely something specific that caught my eye, so let's just keep moving forward and watching closely. And if you are enjoying this analysis, I will continue to hit the pause button frequently to break down every single detail for you. Shows something that isn't there. There's a suspicion that something needs to be done. Sometimes the display indicated that it was there, but even though it showed it, there was nothing there. So as you can see, it has unfortunately gone the wrong way here again. I honestly don't even know what to say. Perhaps maybe it's some kind of... It could be some kind of ancient flag or whatever it is they actually found there. Holin Havais, stop, loss, sword. It seems to be a very significant discovery for them. This isn't a stop loss, it's some kind of execution even. Oh, I remembered what it is. Now I get it. We're at some stage. So, well, we are essentially looking at the fact that there is actually some form of execution happening right now. Here there's supposedly an exit downward stop loss, exit upward stop loss, exit downward stop loss. So let's see. Well, I have already come to fully understand the situation. This strategy does not tend to perform particularly effectively on lower time frames. But actually, we have detailed backtest results and a comprehensive set of historical performance data available for your review right here on our official website. It shows here that on ETH with a 1-to-1 ratio, there's a 64-63% win rate. With 1-to-2 it's lower, with 1-to-3 even lower, and with 1-to-5. Here, 27%, that's it. RR, that's how it is. And basically these are the results we have. That's it. On Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. That's it. And this is the daily time frame as I understand it. So, oh no, this is the 4-hour time frame. There's also the daily, which, for example, on Solana, there's a 72% success rate. So, look, we just switched to a higher time frame, check it, and basically that's all. There's nothing to do with this indicator on lower time frames. Thank you all for your attention and see you soon.